If you've ever stepped onto a Bayliner and thought, this is nice, but imagine if it felt just a bit more premium, then the 2026 Bayliner interior might be exactly what you've been waiting for. At first glance, this new cabin design feels cleaner, brighter, and more modern than anything Bayliner has done before. The moment you walk inside, there's a real sense of space. Large windows pull in natural light, the ceiling feels higher, and the color palette is calm and upscale. Soft creams, warm wood tones, and subtle metallic accents that give it a luxury yacht vibe without losing Bayliner's practical DNA. The seating is noticeably improved. Sofas feel deeper and more comfortable, perfect for long cruises or relaxed evenings at anchor. The dinette area converts smoothly into a sleeping space, and everything feels thoughtfully placed. Storage is smarter too. Hidden compartments, underseat lockers, and clever cabinetry that doesn't eat into your living space. The galley has also been refined. It's compact but very usable, with upgraded finishes, modern lighting, and enough counter space to actually enjoy preparing a meal on board. Whether it's a quick coffee in the morning or dinner after a day on the water, it just feels easier and more enjoyable. Move toward the sleeping area and you really notice how much Bayliner has matured. The cabin feels cozy but not cramped, with better ventilation, softer lighting, and a more hotel-like atmosphere. The bathroom layout is cleaner and more modern as well, with improved fixtures and a design that finally feels premium instead of purely functional. Under the hood, Bayliner continues to focus on smooth, reliable performance. The 2026 models are expected to offer updated engine options that balance fuel efficiency with confident cruising power. It's not about raw speed, it's about quiet operation, stability, and stress-free handling, whether you're docking in a tight marina or cruising open water. Compared to older Bayliner interiors, this is a big step forward. Past models were practical and beginner-friendly, but this new design feels more refined and emotionally appealing. It's clearly aimed at boaters who want comfort, style, and versatility without jumping into full luxury yacht pricing. Speaking of price, the 2026 Bayliner interior upgrade is expected to remain competitive. That's the real win here. You're getting a more luxurious cabin experience without stepping into a completely different price bracket. It feels like Bayliner is trying to offer attainable luxury, and honestly, they're doing a solid job. Safety and usability haven't been forgotten either. Walkways feel secure, materials are durable and easy to maintain, and everything is designed with real-world boating in mind: families, couples, and even first-time owners. Overall, the 2026 Bayliner interior feels like a confident evolution. It's more stylish, more comfortable, and more modern, while still staying true to what Bayliner does best: making boating enjoyable, approachable, and fun. If this is the direction Bayliner is heading, the future is looking very exciting.